Dasara and Navratri. I hope you have enjoyed it, right? So, today I am going to unbox one more thing. Do you want to see it? Come along. This I have bought from Flipkart, outgoing 2nd to 8th October Dasara special. Now I am cutting it. Its discount price is 7,999 rupees, but I got it at 4,500 rupees in exchange offer. In this box, I can see tablet, travel adapter and USB cable and a charger also. Can you see? Alright, here it is. Let's check about the specs. This is 8-inch display tab. It comes with 2GB RAM, 16GB ROM, expandable up to 128 GB. On the safer side, I purchased 64 GB RAM for storage. It weighs 320 grams, so easy to carry in hand and lightweight. As you can see, this is power button and this volume up and down. Backside there is 5 megapixel camera, as you can see. In the front side you can see 2 megapixel camera. This is headphone jack and this is for USB cable. This is micro SD card. Works on Wi-Fi. It does not have calling facility, SIM support, but you can install WhatsApp and do calling. Also you can install Zoom and Google Meet for online classes. Let me set up tab. You have to select your Wi-Fi and then you have to sign in through your Gmail, and then protect your tablet means you have to keep a password. Pattern means like VA, like that. It doesn't contain of numbers. Pin means it contains of numbers, no alphabets. Password means it contains of alphabets and numbers. You can keep. And I have set my pin. You can also set your pin. Good for reading books and listen. Thank you very much. Subscribe my videos and subscribe this video also, and like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye. We'll meet again.